The Federal Trade Commission just ordered $43.6 million in relief from the water treatment industry, including nearly $20 million in direct refunds to consumers who were deceived, had secret liens placed on their homes, and were charged interest rates they were never clearly told about. That ruling was against a single financing company that served water softener dealers across the United States. But the financing company was not the source of the problem. It was just the collection mechanism. The real issue is a sales machine that has been running inside American homes for decades, built on a gap the industry has never wanted you to notice. The hardware inside a water softener that a dealer quotes you at $6,000 costs between $275 and $750 wholesale. We are going to expose exactly how that gap is created, who profits from it, and show you the only 3 ways to solve your hard water problem without being systematically overcharged. If you have ever called around for water softener quotes, you probably noticed something strange right away. Culligan will not give you a price over the phone. Contractor will not give you a price over the phone. RainSoft will not give you a price over the phone. They all insist on sending a representative to your home first. You assume this is because they need to assess your specific water supply. It is not. A $10 test strip from Amazon measures your water hardness just as accurately as anything a dealer brings through your door. The reason these companies refuse to quote prices up front is because their entire business model depends on getting a commissioned salesperson in front of you before you can compare their price to the $745 system sitting on the internet with identical specifications. And the deeper you look, the more you realize the competition you think you are choosing between is not real at all. Walk into any big box store and you will see shelves stocked with water softeners under the names GE, Whirlpool, Kenmore, EcoPure, Morton, and Northstar. You assume these are different companies competing to build you a better product. That is an illusion. Many of those products come from the same factory in Woodbury, Minnesota, owned by a company called EcoWater Systems, which is a subsidiary of the Marmon Group, which is 100% owned by Berkshire Hathaway. Through a related entity called Water Channel Partners, same address, same ownership, EcoWater manufactures softeners under license for Whirlpool and Kenmore and Brita. One Amazon reviewer documented opening a brand new Whirlpool unit and finding it was, in his own words, 100% identical to his previous GE model with a different logo on the top. The consolidation is real, it is deep, and it is only the beginning of the story. Culligan International, the most recognized name in the category, has been sold to 5 different private equity firms since 2003. Its most recent transaction in 2021 valued the company at approximately $6 billion, including debt. The buyer was a private equity group called BDT and MSD Partners, with the Abu Dhabi sovereign wealth fund Mubadala as an anchor investor. Under the prior owner, Advent International, Culligan had already completed roughly 90 acquisitions of small, family-owned water treatment companies, tripling its revenue in under 5 years. EcoWater is owned outright by Berkshire Hathaway. RainSoft was purchased by the industrial conglomerate Pentair in 2018 for $160 million. Contractor was acquired by the Swedish investment group Axel Johnson in 2006. A.O. Smith purchased the Hague Quality Water brand in 2017 for $44.5 million. What looks like a competitive marketplace of heritage brands is actually 5 or 6 corporate entities that have methodically purchased every independent competitor they could find and replace family ownership with a business model built entirely around recurring revenue. The problem starts not in your pipes, but in a showroom that comes to you. Every premium dealer brand operates on a commission structure where salespeople earn between 15 and 25% of the sale price. A former RainSoft salesman publicly documented his commissions at $860 to $1,256 per sale on a system initially quoted at $8,390. That same system, after negotiation, closed at $5,168. The salesman confirmed that even at that reduced price, the company still made a good profit. That gap between the closing price and the wholesale hardware cost of $700 to $1,500 is not service, not engineering, not innovation. It is the commission, the sales manager's override, and a carefully structured in-home presentation designed to create urgency you would never feel if you had a week to compare options on your own. RainSoft uses a corporate iPad presentation that runs 60 to 90 minutes and is scripted word for word by the company. The famous soap suds demonstration uses a specialized product called Tincture of green soap, a laboratory reagent specifically formulated to produce zero lather in hard water. It is not the dish soap next to your sink. It is not your laundry detergent. It is a prop. Better Business Bureau complaints document RainSoft representatives telling homeowners they were drinking sewer water, using children as emotional leverage, and invoking today-only pricing that evaporates if the homeowner wants time to think. A former salesman confirmed the manager's standing instruction was to keep closing. Close, 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 and that a 5-year soap package was offered exclusively for same-day signatures. But the sales machine is only half of what this industry has built to extract money from you. The product itself has a second layer of extraction that starts the morning after you sign. Water softeners work through a process called ion exchange. Calcium and magnesium ions in your water are swapped for sodium ions as the water passes through a bed of resin inside the tank. When the resin is exhausted, a brine solution flushes through and recharges it. This process is identical across every system on the market, from the $400 unit at the hardware store to the $8,000 system a dealer installs in your utility room. The resin inside all of them is manufactured by a small number of industrial chemical companies, Purolite in Pennsylvania, Lanxess in Germany. And every residential grade product is certified to the same NSF standard regardless of whose brand name appears on the outside of the tank. The control valve, which manages every regeneration cycle, is made predominantly by two companies, Fleck Controls, owned by Pentair, and Clack Corporation. When a dealer sells you a branded proprietary system, they are almost always building it around one of those two valves and marking it up 5 to 10 times before it reaches your basement. Here is the specific mechanism of that price deception. The standard 1 cubic foot resin tank, the most common residential size, carries a rating of 32,000 grains. That number assumes you run 18 pounds of salt through every regeneration cycle, a dose so wasteful it consumes 3 times more salt than necessary. The same resin regenerated efficiently at 6 pounds of salt delivers around 20,000 grains, a 37% reduction from the number on the box, disclosed nowhere in the marketing materials. Dealers then compound this by routinely recommending 48,000 or 64,000 grain systems for households whose actual weekly removal need is closer to 21,000 grains. A family of 4 using 75 gallons per person per day at a hardness of 10 grains per gallon needs to process around 21,000 grains weekly. A 24,000 grain system handles that with room to spare. The larger system costs more to purchase, consumes more salt every month, and justifies a larger ongoing service contract. Industry insiders have called the grain capacity rating system a severe disservice to the consumer. That is a diplomatic way of describing a number engineered to mislead. Proprietary components lock the revenue stream in permanently. A Connecticut dealer quoted one homeowner $1,700 to rebed and service an 8-year-old softener, a job a Fleck owner handles for $100 in parts ordered online. RainSoft filter replacements run $300 to $700 every 2 years. Culligan voids your warranty if you miss their branded annual maintenance visit. One plumber summarized the dynamic plainly. If you purchase a Connecticut, you are married to the dealer. The proprietary design is not an engineering advantage. It is a contractual trap dressed up as a premium product. And then there is the cost that extends far beyond your utility bill. Salt-based water softeners discharge chloride into the municipal wastewater system, and treatment plants cannot remove it. In Minnesota alone, 68 lakes and streams now exceed state water quality standards for chloride, with residential water softeners identified as the single largest source entering through the municipal system. The math is stark. It costs 20 cents to add 1 pound of salt to a softener at home. It costs $5, 25 times more, for a treatment plant to manage the resulting chloride in its discharge. More than 25 California communities have already banned salt-based self-regenerating softeners outright. The industry understood this regulatory trend for years and chose not to make it part of any sales conversation. So if the entire market is structured against you, the brands consolidated, the technology commoditized, the pricing concealed, and the environmental cost pushed onto your community, does that mean there is no good answer? There is, but it requires you to stop shopping like a consumer and start thinking like a contractor. The first option costs less than a single Culligan service call. The Fleck 5600 SXT control valve is the industry workhorse that professional water treatment contractors have used for decades. You can buy a complete 48,000 grain system built around this valve from online dealers like AFW Filters for $745, shipped to your door with resin already loaded. Upgrade to Purolite C100E, 10% crosslink resin, for $50 to $100 more, and it will outlast the standard 8% resin most dealers quietly install inside their premium price systems by 2 to 3 years. The install takes 2 to 4 hours using push-fit shark bite connectors with no soldering and no licensed plumber required. The technology, the chemistry, and the certified performance are identical to every dealer system on the market. The only thing missing is the commission structure that determines the price on the dealer's invoice. The second option is what professional installers put in their own homes. Every water softener, from the box store unit to the dealer install, is assembled from the same 4 components: a control valve, a resin tank, resin, and a brine tank. You can source all 4 at near wholesale prices directly from supply houses like AFW Filters, Discount Water Softeners, US Water Systems, and Clean Water Store. The Clack WS1 valve was designed by 3 former Fleck engineers with a combined 68 years of experience at the company. It flows 27 gallons per minute versus Fleck's 20, runs 9 programmable regeneration cycles versus 5, and one installer documented 40% fewer service calls after the 3rd year compared to Fleck-based systems. A complete Clack build from direct components runs $500 to $700. That is the actual acquisition cost of what dealers buy before applying a markup of 400 to 1400%. But there is a third option that the industry fears most because it removes you from their supply chain entirely. If your water tests below 7 grains per gallon, the calcium and magnesium in your supply are not causing meaningful damage to your pipes or appliances. They are nutritional minerals. For homeowners in that range who want appliance protection only, a polyphosphate inline filter installs in under an hour, costs $50 to $200, and prevents mineral scale buildup without removing a single ion from your water, without adding sodium, without wasting water, and without discharging chloride into your watershed. Replacement crystals cost about $30 every 3 to 9 months. The industry's most repeated claim, that 85% of American homes need a water softener, counts every home with any detectable hardness at all. Only homes consistently above 7 grains per gallon experience the problems that softeners are sold to solve. Test your water before spending $1. Free kits are available from most municipal water suppliers. Never accept a hardness reading from a company whose revenue depends on the number being high. The era of the captive consumer is over for anyone willing to spend 2 hours researching before they sign anything. The brands counting on you to pay $6,000 for a $700 machine need three things working at the same time: the in-home appointment, creating urgency you cannot think through; the tincture of green soap making you afraid of water you have been drinking safely for years; and the financing paperwork making the monthly number feel too small to question. The Federal Trade Commission found that one company, just the financing arm, not the dealers, not the manufacturers, caused enough documented consumer harm to justify $43.6 million in relief. That is one enforcement action against one company in one layer of a supply chain with three more layers above it. Do not let Culligan and RainSoft in Connecticut turn your household plumbing into a subscription you never agreed to. Know your hardness number. Buy the components dealers markup and skip the middleman entirely. The water produced by a $700 flex system is chemically indistinguishable from the water produced by a $7,000 dealer install. The difference is who kept the other $6,300. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more investigations into the industries counting on you not doing the math.